let's talk about the process of forward buying and locking in those utility rates that you mentioned. Who's eligible, and how does a store owner go about that whole process of forward buying?
I knew the $1 million question would come up in this interview. I wish I could say these people qualify and these people don't. I mean, literally, you could be sitting right next door to me and we could be in two different service territories. So, what we've done with the energy program is we take it on a case by case basis. And, honestly, a lot of times when you have a multi store owner, I've had it happen so many times where, let's say that the store owner has 5 stores. Three of them are in a territory where he can purchase in a deregulated situation, and then 2 are not. It could be a propane situation, or it could be a utility that doesn't participate in deregulation. So, but you're right on track. If you're in those areas, you definitely want to, look at we always like to look at historical data and have that be the biggest driver of the decision making going forward. Do we lock in now, or do we wait? Now, with this last couple of years, this has really changed, I think, everybody's approach. Do we lock in, or do we just kind of ride the market price? Traditionally, what we've done in the past in the South is we've kind of ridden the market price because it stayed very, very low and it's been very consistent. Northern utilities, which have more volatility, obviously, because of the weather, we've looked more at fixed prices. Well, we're offering fixed prices to most of our customers now, given what's happened over the past years, to just
Right.
at least say, hey, it's worth the consideration,
Right.
because like you and I've known and talking about many a times, you're basically a reseller of utilities as a laundromat. And the lower
Absolutely.
you keep those utility costs, the better off you're going to be.
Perfect. Perfect.